Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to prevent anyone from seeing your bio in Telegram on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Ensure that you have the latest version installed. Step 2. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a 3 lines icon. Click on it. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. Step 5. Look for the Bio option and click on it. Step 6. Next, you'll see a circle next to Nobody. Tap on it to turn it blue. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your bio is now hidden from anyone on Telegram. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.